Welcome. Today I am with Google Nest audio speaker and I want to show you how you can set reminder on this device. So at the first I just want to show you that there is no available reminders on my device. As you can see, there's nothing here, and to set it you have to wake your device. So hey Google, can you set reminder?
What's the reminder?
To clean my room.
Okay, clean my room. When do you want to be reminded?
In 3 minutes.
Got it. I'll remind you at 10:41 a.m.
Okay, so as you can hear, it's set up, and right now when I go back and open it one more time, there's the reminder to clean my room. And basically that's all. So after this time, our device will make sound, and if you want to stop it, just say stop and it will be removed. Also, we can adjust this reminder, so we can say hey Google, could you please remove the last reminder?
Alright, I deleted the reminder. Today at 10:41 a.m. Clean my room.
Okay, so I guess right now we have to go back, open it one more time, and as you can see, it just removed. So that's how we can set up, and that's how we can remove reminders by using your voice with the Google Nest audio speaker, and also with the other devices from the Google. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.